Well, hello again, everyone. It's Kevin at Halo Power Solutions. Just want to thank you for purchasing these fantastic LED light strips from Govee. And we're going to go ahead and open up the box and show you what we got inside. And I will also tell you how to set these lights up, go through the basic functionality of them, and most importantly, set up the app so you can have that on your smartphone for controlling these lights. So when you open up the box, you're going to find you've got obviously your 5-meter LED light strip. The light strip has a 3M adhesive backing, so we find a really easy way to put it up is just to peel the backing off and stick it right onto the wall for your kids. Attached to the light is the controller, and that plugs into the 120-volt power supply. Also inside the box, you're going to find the instructions to install. You'll also find the instructions on how to go into the App Store and download the Govee Home app, which is what you're going to use primarily to control these lights on your smartphone or iPad or tablet, whatever your device is. And before you actually install these lights in your room or wherever application you're going to use it for, what you're going to want to do is plug them in, power them up, and confirm that they actually work before you go through the trouble of installing them. So go ahead and plug the power supply into the wall, and then plug the low voltage cable into the LED light strip. The lights should come on immediately and run through a couple of different cycles. At that point, you know they are working correctly. The controller attached to the LED light strip gives you some basic functionality. You can turn it off and on. You can activate the microphone to have your lights dance to sound or music. And you can use the middle button and toggle through the basic solid colors that the light strip offers. But the app is really what gives you the functionality. And when you've got the app loaded, you can bring on multiple scenes. Really, I think there's probably 30 or 40 preset scenes that are on the app. Very, very cool. And that really highlights the functionality of these RGB IC LED light strips, because you're getting multiple colors and multiple scenes all on the same strip. Once the app is installed, really easy to use. My kids love it. Your kids are going to love it. You're going to be the best parents in the world if you've got your children this for Christmas. So let's go through the steps of downloading the app and getting it set up. This is on my iPhone. So you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to find the Govee Home app. There it is. Bring it up, download it onto your phone. Of course, that's going to take a few minutes. Make sure you're downloading the Govee Home app. You may get some other ones that come up, but this is the one that you're going to want to download. So we'll go ahead and open the app. Brings you to the Govee screen. It wants to send you notifications. I selected yes. This is your opening screen. You're just going to want to swipe to the left, get you through the few screens here, and it'll take you to the actual setup page. So here we are, and we're going to agree to the privacy policy and go ahead and get it set up. So you're going to want to select the plus button on the top right, and then the Bluetooth button on the top right. Once you use your Bluetooth. Now, because we've already got a couple of these strips set up in our home and I've added another one, I'm seeing all three. So I'm going to go and unplug the other two that we have installed from the wall so that I only see the one on the app when it loads up. Okay, there's the new LED strip that we're installing right now. And you can go in and actually change the name on this. So I'm going to change this one to Kids Bedroom. Really easy to change. That way you'll be able to identify which one's which if you've got multiple ones in your home. And then we're going to go in, and it's going to tell you that you need to do a version update. This is really important to get the full functionality. So go ahead and do the update. Once the update's complete, you'll have the full functionality. If you do not do this update, you're going to find that the app only shows you 4 or 5 scenes. After the update, you're going to have dozens of the preset scenes. So really important that you do that update. Okay, so we're connecting, and there you go. We are now connected. So as you go through and check out the different functions on the app, you should see your lights changing as you change the different scenes. Now, I've talked a lot about the preset scenes, but you can also go in and have your lights function as a solid color, whether it's just plain white, red, green, blue, they're all there. And you can also go in and actually select different sections of your LED strip so that they are different colors. Really, the options are endless with the setup and custom scenes you can create with these lights. They're really amazing. Another really cool feature with these lights that I've talked about earlier is the music mode, where the built-in microphone in the controller will detect the music you're playing, and your lights will dance to the beat. It'll dance to your voice, even if you clap your hands or snap your fingers. So now that your lights are working properly on the app, go ahead and install them. Peel off the 3M backing and stick them directly on the wall. They secure very well, very secure. They will take off a little bit of paint if you decide to take them off at a later date. But all in all, very easy install, and I think you're going to be really happy with these very cool LED light strips. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment on the video, and you can always check us out online at halopower.ca. We are Sherwood Park's most trusted electricians.